To create Telegram bot, you can use desktop browser or your smartphone. Here we are using desktop browser. You can also log into your account using phone number. Here we will scan QR code. Open Telegram app, go to Settings, Devices, link desktop device, and scan this code on your smartphone. Once the code is scanned, you will see your Telegram account. Now at the top left corner, type Father in the search box and hit enter. Select the ID as shown here. Now you are entered in Bot Father chat. At the top right corner, click on the Start button. Now you will see various options that Bot Father can perform, like edit bots, bot settings, web apps, and games. Now choose the first option, New Bot, to create your new bot. Once you click on the New Bot option, Bot Father will ask you to provide name of the bot. Type the name of your bot. Here I type my YouTube channel name. After that, Bot Father will ask you to create username of the bot. Your username must end with bot word. It will ask you to choose another username if it is taken already by someone. This username was already linked to my another account, so I created another username. You have successfully created your bot. Now copy the HTTP API token string and open new tab in your browser and make link as shown here and hit enter. You will see message, OK, true, result. Now switch back to Telegram account and click on the link of your bot to open your bot chat. Once the bot chat opens, click on the Start button. Now type any word you want. Here I type test. Now switch back to API token window again and refresh the browser. Congratulations, your chat ID is generated. Check the chat section, your chat ID number is available there. If you want to delete your bot, click on the My Bots link and you will see list of all your active bots. Select the bot you wish to delete and you will get New Options menu. Click on the Delete Bot button and Yes, delete the bot button and hit Yes, I am 100% sure button to delete your bot from your account. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.